everybody, this is Usama and this is group 1. So I'll be talking about our product or the service we are launching and then the details about it. So these are the answers written on the PPT and I'll be reading out the questions and then answering them accordingly. So the first question is, what will be our product and what will be our a product or service that we are going to launch? So we are going to launch a fitness center for the residents around the area which we have targeted specifically. And what we will provide multiple services like fitness coaches, fitness like machines, memberships, training, discounts to our customers. So there will be a lot that will be offered to our customers, and we'll have some like promotions for the customers who come first, and they will get special discounts. So next, what will be our process, like how the customers can be registered. So customers will have to go through registrations. As I said, we'll provide them discounts, special services like personal trainings. Then how will the customers go through, what will the customers go through to, so they will be going through biometrics, and they'll have a basically they'll have a different database for every customer, so we will avoid any kind of overlaps or issues later. So what steps should the customers follow? There'll be simple steps like registration, biometrics, fee submissions, fitness trackings. Like if you want a personal trainer, you think that you are in need of one, so you'll go through signing up for a personal trainer. So the question was, how many days will you operate in a month? Sorry, in a week. So we'll operate 6 days. And how many hours? We'll operate like 11 hours per day. The timings would be around 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. They can be flexible. And how many customers should we entertain? Around 500 to 600, I'd say. Then the question was, what materials do we need, like for the start of our business? So as I told you, it's a fitness center, so we'll need our equipments according to that. We'll need dumbbells, 2 leg press machines, bars, plates, bench presses, multi exercise machines, chest press, boxing pad and gloves for fitness, then treadmill, cycles, mats, and stuff like that, so that we could just develop a new fitness center and then go on from there. So what will be our location where we'll be launching our center? Our location will be near Kim Young University East Gate. As you know that there is a lot of footfall and a lot of people who live around that area and who belong there, so opening a fitness center in that area would be a great option, and that will benefit us obviously. So coming to the raw materials, what type of raw materials we'll need? We'll need floor mats. From where we'll buy? We'll buy it from Alibaba. And then what's the quantity? At least 50, because we are planning to make a bigger space and a comfortable one. Then fitness band. We'll do most of our, like all of our shoppings online, because that's cheaper and that's efficient, and you can get your delivery at your doorstep. Then yoga mats from Coupang, 15. Treadmills from Alibaba. 3 treadmills would be enough, I guess. So what will be our power source? Or we'll develop a new power source? No, we will not develop a new power source. We'll use the existing power source and save our time. About the water plant consumption, it would be around 5 lakh won. Then what will be our disposal system? Our waste disposal system, we'll use like our company will dispose our waste daily, and we'll keep the place clean and healthy, so we'll avoid any issues, especially nowadays due to the COVID-19. That's all. Thank you very much.